Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. And today I'm located at Fuengirola, in between the Faro and Fuengirola, so very close actually to Fuengirola. And I'm showing you a penthouse apartment with a nice beautiful terrace and magnificent sea views over Malaga, Fuengirola, and located in a very nice location. You're leaving the street here and you're in Fuengirola. And we have a commercial center very close by as well. We have a big terrace, 2 bedrooms, over 100 square meters in total, so 104 square meters by documents in total of this apartment. And the price is 495,000 euros. And before we start the video tour, don't forget, subscribe our channel, like this video, and now let's start the video tour. Okay, so the terrace is offering you around 15 to 20 square meters. We have space here, space there. We have a nice table where you can sit and eat, and obviously beautiful views, mountains in the back. And you have direct beach exit from the parking, so you can directly exit the beach from here. Obviously restaurants, bars, everything is very close by. So it's a good location, especially if you want to rent it out. So people like to rent things like this, with views like this, and well, you can rent this apartment through our company. Alicante is in charge of vacation rentals. We know how to licenses to get. We know how to make renovations. We have like A to Z. We have the whole service here at Alicante. So don't forget to subscribe the channel to follow the lifestyle here in Marbella. Okay, let's go inside. So the inside is renovated. We have chimney here, sitting area, dining area, 2 bedrooms in total, 2 big bedrooms, air conditioning, television, so it's everything here. You sit down here at the sofa and you see the sea. It's beautiful, especially there are not so many properties where you can sit down at a sofa, like below 500,000. It's still below 500,000 and see the sea from the sofa. So it's beautiful and well, I like the view, especially if you want to rent it out, as I mentioned. Okay, kitchen is new, completely renovated. Everything is done here. And laundry room, you can close it if you want to, so the washing machine doesn't make, well, noise and it's disturbing you. Okay, let's go to the sleeping area. We have here the first bedroom, the main bedroom. The main bedroom is big enough. You have exit directly to the terrace with the sea views and fitted wardrobes. Yeah, ensuite bathroom, everything is here. What you need. Also renovated bathrooms, both of them are renovated. We have here second bathroom for the guests, and of course the second bedroom. All the windows are going outside to the facade, wardrobes fitted in, so it's very nice. It's a nice apartment below 500,000 with sea views. The entry of the apartment will go through the stairs, so you have to go up the stairs here to get upstairs to the apartment. You have also parking. It's very easy actually to park, but there's also parking, and I think it's a very, very good option below 500,000 in the region of Fuengirola, and an opportunity to invest into an apartment here to rent out or for vacation for a good price. So we are not showing you just super expensive properties. We have as well direct listings as this one, and with sea views, with nice terrace, good location, Fuengirola. So if you're interested in this kind of apartments, you will find down below in the description, you'll find my phone number, and you will find my contacts. Follow the channel, like this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video tour, especially for apartments like this. I see you soon in Costa del Sol.